With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says observe the following messenger RNA, and this RNA is given from 5' to 3' direction, and there are certain genetic codes given here. The first genetic code is AUG, which codes for methionine. So let's make a chain also. This is methionine, followed by the next codon, that is GGG, which codes for the amino acid glycine. Then we have AAA coding for amino acid lysine here. And then we have the CCC, which codes for proline. Followed by this, we have UU, which codes for phenylalanine. So this is how the chain is going to be fixed up. While the question says that due to mutation, the guanine nucleotide in the 6th position, so we are talking about this particular guanine. So this is replaced by adenine nucleotide, right? So now initial what the code was GGG, now it has become GGA. Right? But here we see that the GGG as well as GGA, they code for the same amino acid. So taking into consideration the degeneracy of the genetic code and the unambiguous nature, we say that this is coding for the same amino acid. So it says that what will be the correct effect of the sequence of amino acid due to mutation. Now we now hear that now there will be no change in the mutation. This mutation is not causing any change in the amino acid sequences because both the codons, even after the substitution of G by A, it is going to code for the same amino acid. So this type of mutation is called as a silent mutation. So sequence of amino acid in the mutated protein is exactly the same as the sequence of amino acid in the original protein. So this option here, option number 1, is the right answer for this question. So let's mark this as the correct answer, while we must also see the other options which are written here. The other option says only the second amino acid in the mutated protein will be different. No. All amino acid except the first one will be different. This is also wrong. Then the next is second and third amino acid in the mutated protein will be different. This is also wrong. Now, the second amino acid would have been different if it would have changed to some other codon which is coding for some other amino acid. And all the amino acids except the first amino acid would have been changed also in that matter. But now, since it codes for the same type of amino acid even after the mutation, so this is going to code for exactly the same type of protein. So this is all about this query. Option number 1 becomes the right answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.